Java OOPS, Object Oriented Programming System. Can you tell me, Madhavi, what are the 4 fundamentals of Java OOPS? Not only Java, OOPS. What are the 4 fundamentals of OOPS? 4 fundamentals.
I don't know, sir.
Snehal,
I just remember one, encapsulation.
encapsulation, okay.
Maybe inheritance,
Inheritance,
polymorphism.
yes, 3. Fourth one,
Sir, I don't remember the fourth one.
okay, cool. See, 4 fundamentals of OOPS: inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Okay, before that, some terms in OOPS: class, object, method. Class, object, method. See, 4 fundamentals of OOPS. One is inheritance, next polymorphism, next abstraction, and encapsulation. These are 4 fundamentals. See, inheritance, next polymorphism, abstraction, next encapsulation. Okay. See some terms in OOPS. Class, object. What is object? See, it is an entity that has states and behaviors. It has states and behaviors. See, just a minute. Object. What is object? It is an entity. It is an entity that has states, and behaviors. States and behaviors. Is known as object. Example, any general object. Example, pen is object, chair is object, table is object, etc. States. State. What is state, Snehal?
Is it a property?
Property, yes. Say, states, just a minute. States, or you can say properties. States, or you can say properties. For example, dog. Dog is an object. Some states are properties for dog objects. Dog object. Just a minute. Object is dog. States are properties of dog object. Shalini. Property. It is an attribute of the object which describes the object. Give some examples for dog object. Some properties, examples for dog object.
Height of the dog.
Height, yes. Say color, height, next weight, etc. Next, behaviors.
Shouts.
Behaviors. Suppose moving, jumping, barking, etc. Okay, object. It is an entity that has states and behaviors. Next, class. Snehal, class. What is class in OOPS? Okay. Class is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. See, class is a template, or you can say blueprint. Template or blueprint from which objects are created. Say a class is a group of objects that has common properties. A class is a group of objects that has common properties, Okay, next term, method. See, it is an operation on object. An operation or behavior, an operation on object. See, class, object, method. Class, object, method. Next, come to mainstream. Inheritance. See, 4 fundamentals of OOPS. Inheritance. See, just introduction. Inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of parent object. See, reusability. See, it is a mechanism. It is a mechanism in which one object acquires one object acquires one object acquires all the properties and behaviors all the properties and behaviors all the properties and behaviors of parent object. Parent object. See, just a minute. Next, using inheritance, we can create classes that are built upon existing classes. See, using inheritance, we can create classes. We can create classes that are built upon existing classes. Next, when we inherit from an existing class, we can reuse methods and fields from parent class, and we can add new methods and fields also. See, remember this point. When we inherit from an existing class, we can reuse methods and fields from the parent class, and we can add new methods and fields also. Fields. What are the fields, Snehal?
I don't.
Variables. See, when we inherit, reuse. Inheritance means reusing. When we inherit, from an existing class, we can reuse methods and fields. We can reuse. Here fields means variables. We can reuse methods and fields from parent class, in addition, and we can add new methods and fields also. We can add new methods and fields also. Say Java supports three types of inheritance. See, Java supports three types of inheritance. One is single inheritance. Single inheritance. Next, multi-level inheritance. Father, grandfather, like that. Multi-level. Multi-level inheritance. Multi-level means different levels. Hierarchical means father, grandfather. Hierarchical inheritance. This is father, grandfather, hierarchical. Multi-level means from different classes. See, Java supports single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. See, due to diamond problem that we will discuss in practical chapter. Note, Java doesn't support. Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Okay, now Madhavi, inheritance. What is inheritance? What is inheritance? Madhavi, Shalini.
Sir,
What is
it is a
inheritance?
mechanism. It is a mechanism in which object acquires all the properties and behavior of parent object.
Good. See, Java supports three types of inheritance. What are the three types?
Single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance.
Good. It doesn't support?
It doesn't support multiple inheritance.
Yes, multiple inheritance due to diamond problem. Okay. Next, polymorphism. See, just a brief introduction. Polymorphism. See, it is a concept by which we can perform a single action in different ways. Polymorphism, it is a concept. It is a concept by which we can perform a single action in different ways. Different ways. See, polymorphism derived from two Greek words, poly and morphs. Poly means many, morphs means forms or ways. So polymorphism means many forms. See, polymorphism derived from uh, two Greek words. Poly, next morphs. Polymorphs. Poly means many. Morphs means forms or ways. See, polymorphism means many ways. Next, we have two types of polymorphism in Java. Snehal, I think you can answer it. We have two types of polymorphism.
So I don't remember a lot, but overriding and maybe overloading.
Okay, method overloading, overriding. Using method overloading and method overriding, we can achieve polymorphism. Okay, basically polymorphism, two types. One is compile time. Compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism. Next, runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism. See, we can achieve compile time polymorphism by method overloading, method overloading, and we can achieve a runtime polymorphism using method overriding. Method overriding. Okay, extension of this topic, method overloading. Next, method overriding. Method overloading, method overriding. See, brief introduction. Method overloading. Method overloading and method overriding. Say method overloading increases the readability of the program. There are two ways to overload the method in Java. See, method overloading increases the readability of the program. In two ways you can achieve overloading. There are two ways. There are two ways to overload the method. To overload the method in Java. See, one is by changing number of arguments. See, method name same, but arguments different. Method name same, arguments different. See, method overloading. See, two or more methods with same names. Observe, Snehal, method overloading means two or more methods with same names. Got the point? Two or more methods with the same names. See, first one, by changing number of arguments. By changing number of arguments. Next, second one, by changing data types. By changing data types. Just I will show a small example. Observe Shalini. Add. Add is method name. Add int a comma int b. Next, one more method. Name same. Add int a int b int c. Suppose if you call first add method, it will add two numbers, two integers. If you call second add, it adds three integers. How you differentiate? You no need to differentiate. Just call add. If you provide two integers, it will add two integers. If you provide three integers, it will add three integers. See, this is by changing number of arguments. Next, by changing data types. See example, we have two methods with same name. Two or more methods with same name is called method overloading. Why method overloading? Why we use method overloading? See, it increases the readability of the program. Instead of creating different names, we use common name and parameters or data types different. Two or more methods with same name, method overloading. Observe by changing data types. Example, method name add int a int b. Next, another method also same name, character a, character b. Here number of arguments same but data types different. Understand the concept, Madhavi? Method overloading.
Yes, sir.
Next, method overriding. See, method overriding provides a specific implementation of a method that is already provided by its superclass. See, in practical chapter, I will show example. Method overriding provides a specific implementation of a method that is already provided by, just a minute, that is already provided by its superclass, means parent class. Observe, Snehal. Suppose we are inheriting methods and fields from parent class. In the parent class, add method is there, and in child class also add method. We created same method. Methods overriding na.
Yes, sir.
See, okay, just remember the concepts. In polymorphism chapter, I will show practical method overloading and overriding. See, to polymorphism. Next, third one, abstraction. Abstraction. Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing functionality to the user. See, abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details. Hiding the implementation details and showing functionality to the user. For example, sending email. We just type email and send. We don't know internal process of the email delivery. Next, abstraction focus on what the object does instead of how it does. See, abstraction focuses on what the object does instead of how it does. Instead of how it does. Next, in two ways we can achieve abstraction. Abstract class. Next, interface. See, in two ways we can achieve abstraction. One is abstract class. Abstract class. Abstract class 0 to 100%, or you can say 1 to 100%. Suppose 30% abstract, remaining general, or 50% abstract, or 100% abstract. Next, interfaces. Our Selenium WebDriver also interface 100% abstract. Java interface 100% abstract. See next, last one, encapsulation. See, brief introduction. Encapsulation. Say encapsulation is one of the 4 fundamentals of OOPS. Encapsulation is a process of wrapping code and data together into a single unit. See, it is a process of wrapping code and data, code and data together into a single unit. Single unit. See, general example, capsule, mixed of several medicines. See, example, capsule. See, mixed of several medicines. What is the purpose? What is the advantage? It provides the control over the data. It provides control over the data. It provides control over the data. Suppose we want to value of the ID greater than 100 only. We can write the logic inside the setter method. Just a minute. Suppose we want to value of the ID field. Value of the ID is greater than 100. For that we can write the logic. We can write the logic inside setter method. Setter and getter methods we will discuss in practical chapter. See, these are the 4 fundamentals. Next, some terms also there. Just brief introduction. Already we discussed 3 terms: class, object, method. Next, some more terms: Java packages. Java packages. Java packages. Can you tell me, Snehal, what is Java package? Java package. What is Java
It is
package? Pardon?
it is a compilation of classes,
Compilation of class. What is compilation?
or I can say like organizing classes,
Organizing classes. Otherwise, you can say group of classes.
group of classes, right? Like jar files.
Okay. See, Java package. A group. A group of similar type of classes. A group of similar type of classes. See, every Java program one classes. Just a minute. Type of classes, not only classes, a group of similar type of classes, interfaces, and sub packages. All are not mandatory. Suppose in a package you can create only classes. Next, there are two types of Java packages. See, there are two types of Java packages. One is built-in packages, predefined. Built-in packages, built-in packages. Shalini, can you give some examples for Java built-in packages?
Sir, no idea.
Okay. Madhavi, any idea? Madhavi.
No, no, sir.
Okay, cool. I think Snehal can answer it. Snehal.
So lang util.
Yes, lang package, language package. See, famous IO package. Next, util, lang, SQL, etc. Next, user defined packages. See, user defined packages names local. You can use your own names. Next, we used one more term, interface. Class interface. Interfaces in Java. See, an interface is a collection of abstract methods, incomplete methods. We need to implement more. See, an interface is a collection of abstract methods. Interface is not a class. Writing an interface is similar to writing a class, but two are different concepts. Say, an interface is not a class. Writing an interface is similar to writing a class. But two are different concepts. Observe, Snehal. A class may have all concrete methods. Concrete methods means complete methods, or some concrete methods and some abstract methods. But interface 100% abstract methods. Find the difference? Class interface.
Yes, sir.
Say a
Yes.
class may have 100% concrete methods, means complete methods, or some concrete methods and some abstract methods, or all abstract methods. But interface 100% abstract methods. Best example for interface, Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is interface. Okay, see. It has all 100% abstract methods. Note, Selenium WebDriver is an interface. See, just before the break, 2 minutes. See, we discussed this 4th chapter, Java for Selenium. Roadmap, only roadmap. Say, Java for Selenium, core Java is enough. We segregated core Java. Say, already we discussed Java for Selenium. Here, core Java is enough. Advanced Java not required. See, we segregated core Java into two categories. What are the two categories, Shalini? We segregate core Java into two categories. Huh?
Java fundamentals.
Yes. Java
Java
fundamentals. Next.
Java OOPS concept.
Yes. Java OOPS concepts. Varma, can you list out the Java fundamentals? I've given a brief idea also. Varma. Swapna. Varma.
Sir, Swapna.
Swapna, tell me. List out the Java fundamentals.
Fundamentals, those are basics, so common in Java. Data types.
Say comments.
Data types.
Data types.
Variables.
Variables.
modifiers,
modifiers,
operators,
good, operators,
conditional statements,
yes, conditional statements,
loop statements,
good, loop statements, arrays, arrays,
Java methods,
methods, methods, here built-in and
built-in methods, and user-defined methods.
user-defined. Next,
File and input-output operations,
file and you can say IO operations. File and IO operations.
exception handling,
Yes. Exception handling. Okay. Next, Madhavi, Java OOPS concepts. Already I have given a brief idea. Just list out the concepts. Madhavi. Shalini.
Sir, inheritance, polymorphism,
polymorphism,
abstraction,
abstraction,
encapsulation,
abstraction and encapsulation. Okay. See, this is the roadmap for our Java for Selenium program. You take 10 minutes break. After the break, first we will discuss Java environment setup. See, before discussing Java fundamentals, first environment setup. Java environment setup and write first Java program and write first Java program. See, set up the environment and verify the environment.